Hey there, welcome to How to Login. I hope you all are doing well. Today you will learn how do you reset YouTube to English. Before I start this video, be sure to subscribe to this channel and do not forget to click on bell icon. So let's begin. YouTube is the easiest way to upload videos online and watch videos with almost every type of content. We can share videos of any content like facts, cooking, daily vlogging, or totally study material. There is no limitation on the size or content of the video, and also, we can search for any type of video. So, to reset YouTube to English, you first need to go to your browser and type youtube.com and hit enter. Now click on your profile and click on language icon. Choose English as your language. Now the language is changed to English. I hope you guys like this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you guys for watching this video, and make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon.